Horse owners, if you've been waiting for a property that actually works for your horses, this is it. This is a 17.7 acre usable private land in Loxley, Alabama, set up with rolling pastures, multiple paddocks, and a half-acre lake. You've got a 7-stall barn with running water, large fans, and rubber-matted stalls ready for you to customize to your program. Plenty of space here for turnout, training, and daily operation. Step outside and you're looking at your land, your horses, and total privacy. There's also a saltwater gunite pool, a spacious patio, and mature trees giving you shade and that true southern farm feel. This home offers over 3,900 square feet all on one level with an open layout, spacious bedrooms, and a private guest suite, making it comfortable for both everyday living and hosting. If you're serious about finding a horse property with real potential, this is the one you need to see. Message me to schedule your private tour, or you can always call me at 251-709-4331.